Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. This is part 2. A viewer or subscriber noticed that it left the black background between his feet or between his legs. So we're going to do exactly the same thing, but we're going to do what I suggested in the other video. This is ungrouped, so we're going to select it all, use the boundary tool to make a boundary. Takes just a second because it's quite a bit. Then we're going to nudge the boundary out of the way. And then what we need to do is smart fill. Let's zoom in here. We'll use the smart fill tool to fill in that little spot. That's the traced version. And then I'm going to left click, right click. And then what you need to do in this case is take the smart fill tool and fill all that in. And then move your smart fill out of the way back to the one you want to intersect. Select it all and go to intersect. And now the black between his feet is gone. We'll go to object, order, back a page. And now you see that it's transparent because it's the same color as the background. There might even be that kind of a jagged line there. And that could be resolved most likely. It's still a pretty jagged item, but we can take the shape tool and maybe reduce some of these nodes. And that's just part of the drawing, but you could get it, let's use the smoothing tool, set on something pretty little, like maybe 2 inches. That's still too big, maybe 0.5. And then click on your item and just go along that edge and remove that jagged black line. That's actually part of the drawing. Gives it a little bit of shadow depth. The top on the other part of that ear is actually kind of like gone. So what we could do then is grab the shape tool and move that up and get more of that black. And you could work with that, but what I noticed was between his legs, it's pretty jagged. But that's really part of the drawing, so let's just get the smoothing tool and click on our item and then just go through and real lightly just go along it till it's gone. That looks pretty good. Anyway, I thank that viewer for pointing that out, and thank you for watching.